How's it going today, YouTube? We have some big updates on NIO stock today, and we have some huge news. So today they released their July sales numbers, and they're also going to be releasing the date of which they have their earnings. So some big stuff going on today. I'm Matt, this is That Matt Money. If you guys want to keep up to date on NIO, please think about subscribing, and let's dive into the huge news. All right, so what did July sales look like? So for July, they sold 3,533 vehicles. This is up 322% from last year, which is crazy. Year to date, they've sold 17,702 cars. So that is 111.3% up from the year prior. So how does this stack up to June? So June, they had 3,740. So the worry for me with June was maybe this is a one-off month where maybe they just sold a lot of vehicles that month. But this is the second best amount of vehicles they've sold in a month. So now I know, okay, this is more something consistent that they can do now. So I like that they were pretty close to June sales, that was the second best month. So I am very, very happy with the amount of sales they made in July here. All right, so what vehicles were sold here of the 3,533? So 2,610 were the ES6s, which is their premium 5-seat electric vehicle SUV, and then 923 were the ES8, which is the 7-seat premium electric vehicle, which is more expensive, so I'm assuming they'd make more on these vehicles. But those were the sales that they had, and they're going to be adding the EC6, which is huge that they were saying in this new report as well. Now, what's the EC6 and what's it going to cost you? So this is going to be a 5-seat EV coupe, so it's going to be an electric vehicle car. How much is it going to cost you? So it's going to cost you 368,000 Chinese yuan. I don't know if I said that right, sorry. And that's an equivalent of $53,000. So more of an enterable market for this vehicle, I would say. So I really like that. The range that they gave on it was 615 kilos, or that would be 382 miles. So I think this is crazy good news too, that they're also adding a vehicle that is not an SUV on their roster. I think that could sell crazy as well. And I believe the date they will be adding this or starting to make this is September. So September would be when this ball would start rolling, which is great because then they would diversify a little bit more market share. So I think that is awesome. So also really, really good news there. So the last thing to note here is that there are record high monthly orders, they also noted. So the demand is at a record high, which is awesome for NIO stock. August 11th is going to be the earnings, and I think they are going to blow it out of the water. I'm thinking it's going to be some pretty cray stuff. So what am I doing right now with NIO stock? Well, personally, for my particular financial risk tolerance, I have gone all the money I can go into it, and I just am super bullish on the stock. If I had more money to throw in with my risk tolerance, I certainly would, because I am super duper bullish on the stock. Today, as of time of recording, it's up about 9%, and oh my gosh, I think earnings are gonna blast it to the moon myself. But you should really never play earnings, be a long-term investor, all that good stuff. So that is what's going on with NIO stock. If you like the content, please think about liking and subscribing, and hopefully we all make some money on NIO stock here. So you guys take care and have a good one.